What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. So today's video is going to be a full day of eating, showing you what I would typically eat in a day for my weight loss journey. And I'm really excited because it's actually a collab with one of my really good friends, Brandy, also known as the Self-Love Mom, here on YouTube and Instagram. She is super sweet, super genuine, super down to earth, and super transparent with her life and just her journey. So I'm just really excited to be collabing with her for this full day of eating video. She is actually going to be uploading her own full day of eating, what she eats in a day for her weight loss journey, over on her channel. So be sure to check the description box below to check out her video as well. If you're here from Brandy's channel, hey, welcome. Thank you guys so much for just coming over and checking out this video. I hope that you would consider subscribing before you leave. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and let's get into the video. So it's about 9:47 and I actually just put up to my dentist's office because I have a dentist appointment this morning. I have 2 waters right here because I am still intermittent fasting. So I don't break my fast until 2:30. I recently upped it to 2:30, so I'm fasting about 18.5 hours now. I was fasting for 16 hours, but I recently upped it to 18 hours. I've been doing 18 hours for about like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. But for now, I just have 2 waters that I brought with me to the dentist's office just so I can stay hydrated while I'm out. When I get back home and I break my fast, I'll show you guys my first meal of the day. I usually do around 2 meals a day because I fast so long. I usually do 2 meals a day, and I still do count my calories. Sometimes I count my calories, sometimes I don't, but I like to count my calories and just keep track just so I know for myself what I'm putting in my body and stuff like that. So when I get back home and I break my fast, I'll show you guys my first meal. Okay, so it is 3:15 and I'm literally just breaking my fast right now. I wanted to break my fast at 2:30, but I got busy. I was homeschooling. I didn't want to stop in the middle of what I was doing with him and just to make some food. So I'm finally gonna break my fast now. I'm like really hungry. I'm starving, so I need to eat soon. But let me show you guys what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna have a nectarine, a peach, and some bananas. Probably 1 banana, and I'm just gonna cut it up to make like a fruit salad. And then I'm gonna make some eggs. But I love to put this pepper and onion blend in my eggs. I think it's so good. And then I'm gonna top it with some cherry tomatoes. Now that I made my fruit salad, I'm gonna go ahead and make my eggs. I'm just gonna use some organic olive oil to cook it in. almost 6:15 and it's dinner time, so I'm gonna start prepping dinner. For dinner tonight, I'm just gonna make I'm gonna make tacos for my husband, but I'm gonna make like lettuce wraps for me. Lettuce wraps are another one of the foods that I love to eat. I love lettuce wraps, so I'm just gonna saute some onions first in the pan, and then I'm gonna use ground turkey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Be sure to go over and check out Brandy's channel and her full day of eating, what she eats in a day video. I'll make sure that I'll link it down below for you guys. Thank you guys again for checking this video out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.